Simply Lettering magazine. Now this is issue number 12, and I'm sorry to tell you, but this is the very last issue. So get it while you can. And I know you're waiting to see what else you get with it. Well, of course, you get all of the practice sheets, and that's a real bonus. But you also get a small tip brush pen, and there's a whole article in there specifically focused on this pen. Now, let me show you the practice sheets. These come every single time, and they'll give you a really good place to practice the different types of calligraphy. But also, what I particularly love is that it gives you full-size pieces that are used in the magazine. So this is interacting words on top of words. They're just really, really nice to have, and it's fun to see them full size and to be able to copy them, and that's really, really nice. In addition, in this particular one, you get some tags in black and in kind of a tan color, as well as, again, more of the full-size imagery, so that's always a bonus. Let me show you what I particularly loved in this magazine, and I'll just go with these tabs. So this is the interlinking lettering. That's a better name than what I bumbled through. And Lou Collins, who's the editor of the magazine, is going to show you that. And we also have calligraphy on cards, which is kind of what you might expect from lettering, and that's a really nice piece. There is chalkboard letters, which tend to be a little more blocky and are where you would see on chalkboard, so that's fun. This is joyful journaling, and I thought this was, they've really had some beautiful messages. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. And I love the variety of colors in the lettering and step by step exactly how the designer did that. This is Mystic Metallics and showing you some ways. They're feeling like this is a really good one for beginners, so that's worth taking your time. One pen mini styles. Now you saw that in the practice sheets, full size, and so you can practice that and take a look at it. This is an article about Lou, as I said, who is the editor of the magazine, and really nice to kind of get up close and personal with her. I love balloon lettering, fun to see it here, and on the next page they really step it out how you can make that three-dimensional look. This is a lettering on leather, and I have to say they've done quite a few different mediums. So leather this time, and there is another one later on glass, so that's really nice. Pockets, tabs, tags, and tip-in cards. Well, I think that that says it all. So ways that you can use those, and you've got all those tags. This is traditional calligraphy, so there's really taking all aspects of it. This is Magenta Magic, so you can see the purples and the mauves. And this is masking fluid, and so they are doing the calligraphy in masking fluid and then coloring on top of it and then rubbing the masking fluid off, so that's interesting. And this is diary, so if you are a journaler or you do planners, this is a fun article to check out. This is bullet journaling and doing it in a different manner, so that's interesting. And the last one that I tabbed is this, and like I said, I thought that was just a really fun way to dress up a container to hold pens, brushes, anything you like. So this is our Simply Lettering issue number 12, and we do have a limited quantity on hand.